Hi everyone, it's really nice of you to join me today. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create this lovely gift basket. And anyone you gift this to will absolutely love it. So let's begin. First, we're going to start off with a cardboard box. It can be any size box depending on what gifts you want to put in it. The first step is to remove the extra flaps of the boxes. So here we're going to have 4 panels that we're going to remove. And take your time to make sure that you're cutting it nicely. Next, depending on what part you want the front to be of the gift box, we're going to cross a line by a few inches down. Then we're going to diagonally match the line to one side of the box to the corner top of the other side. Repeat the same process for the other side of the box. So you'll have 3 sides marked, and now we're going to get to cutting. Take your time into making sure we're making clean cuts. You want a clean, straight line. So you'll be cutting 3 sides in total. The front is going to be a flat line, while the 2 sides are going to kind of go into an uphill line. I'm going to be using a lavender color fabric to cover up the box. Use hot glue to cover one side of the box. Place the glue area onto the fabric. Give it a slight push to make sure that the fabric sticks to the box. Repeat the process over and over again until the fabric is glued around the box. Make sure that you're using plenty of hot glue so the fabric sticks nicely. As you're gluing the fabric to the box, make sure that you're pulling it a bit because we don't want the fabric to be loose. We want it to be a nice tight fit onto the box. Cut off the excess fabric in a straight line. Hot glue the fabric on top of each other so it closes up. Next, we're going to close up the bottom area. Apply hot glue to the edge of the boxes and close up the fabric. And then in each corner, make sure that we're closing up the edges. Flip over the box and now adjust the fabric inside the box. Make sure that every single fold is flush against the edges. We want a nice crisp fold. Now using hot glue, make sure that we stick the edges of the fabric to the base of the box. Any excess fabric that has folds, glue them together. Apply hot glue to the base of the inside of the box. We're going to be applying a white fabric to cover up all the edges and the mess that's under. Make sure we're gluing all the edges so the fabric does not fold over. Now we're going to repeat the same process to the bottom base of the box. We're going to have the same hot glue applied in the corners and apply a white fabric to cover up all the unfinished areas. Now the magical part, we're going to be using the fur fabric. You have to make sure the fur fabric goes under the base of the box. So that way it's wrapping from the base all the way to the top. The fur fabric is sitting snugly onto the base of the gift box. We have to make sure that the fur fabric covers from one edge of the box to the other. We are going to repeat the same process for the opposite side of the box, making sure that the fur fabric covers edge to edge of that side. And also to make sure that the fur fabric goes under the base of the box, just like we did on the other side. Apply lots of glue to make sure it's a secure hold. Next, we're going to take these craft flower beads. I'm going to hot glue them all over the sides of the gift panel. These are really magical beads. I love how they look. Once that's done, flip over and repeat the same process on the other side of the box. Make sure that we're using enough glue to make the beads stick to the fabric. This came out really pretty and I'm really happy with this result. It's a really nice and cozy gift basket and it's ready to be used. Add some shredded decorative fillings to the base of the basket. Start off by filling all the gifts in. If it needs back support, add in more fillings to give it support. Depending on what items you're going to be using in the gift basket, make sure that the taller items go at the back and the shorter ones are at the front. My gift basket has self-care items, from shower gels to hand creams to skincare to lipstick, and a beautiful candle. My theme is self-care. Next, we're going to take a nice wide sheer ribbon. We're going to wrap it under the box. So place the box on top of the ribbon and bring the ribbon forward and tie a knot. Now we're going to tie a nice lovely bow. Cut the edge of the ribbon slanted. And here we have it, a beautiful luxury filled gift basket. With my colors of lavender and the white fur fabric, this gives it a really lovely fairy tale and rich look. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked my video, please comment, like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, bye.